So this is my new watch which just arrived. It's the Citizen BN0000-04H. I hope I got the reference right. It's an Eco Drive Citizen. It's powered by sunlight. It's been discontinued 5 years ago, so I wouldn't say that it is a rare watch, but it's not easy to find. I mean, they don't go up a lot on the sales forums, and I was lucky enough to spot one with the help of a friend who knew I was looking for it a few weeks ago. Anyway, without further ado, let's open. The box is already open, but ta-da! Lots of photos. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, we have a NATO strap. I don't wear NATO, but whatever. We have a bracelet, which the seller said belongs to the BN0000-04H models. I also have such a piece, so we'll see how I go about that. Okay, again, let's just see the watch itself. Is a spare links, and the main man. Let's see. He packaged it very well. It's very well protected. It's a Monaco case. Nice. Nice bezel action. I read that the crown on this is hard to handle, which does make sense when you look at it. It's very recessed inside the case, which I like. I like the aesthetics of it. It reminds me of a Doxa Sub 200. Let's see if I can operate the crown. Yeah, it's not that difficult. Okay, nice. 5? No. Well, just getting my first impressions of this. So let's just show you a loom shot and get it over with. So there's the loom. It's very impressive. I like the hands. I like the strength. Maybe I'll come back when I have some more impressions of this watch. But overall, pleased. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.